Why is the wedding dress white? The custom of wearing white on a wedding day has been a tradition since Queen Victoria. Previously, in each country, the bride could choose fabrics in different colors for the wedding dress according to her social status. In the Middle Ages, marriage was more important than a bond between two people, and in many cases it was a union between two families, two businesses, and even an alliance between two countries. Therefore, the bride should dress in a way that best represents her family. His clothes were not the only representation of his person. Royal weddings were of great political importance at that time and were performed to create a strong alliance between the two countries, so it was necessary for the union. Wealthy royal families used expensive fabrics such as velvet, silk, or woven fabrics of gold and silver thread for their wedding dresses. At that time, fabrics were spun by hand, woven and dried, resulting in the economical use of fabrics. The skirts were made in a gathered, large and puffy shape, the sleeves were extended to the ground, and the skirt was stretched a few meters behind the dress. The colors used were also precious and glorious. Only the rich could afford expensive colors such as red, purple, and black, because they were much harder to make than natural plant dyes. In addition, the wedding dress was decorated with precious jewelry such as diamonds, rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and pearls, so the bride shone in her dress against the sun. Sometimes the bride's dress was so covered with jewelry that the fabric of the dress was hidden under them. In the 15th century, when In the past, blue was a symbol of chastity, which is why in the past many women chose blue for their wedding dress. In fact, Queen Victoria made a difference in the field by choosing white for her wedding dress, which remains to this day. Although white was a common color at the time of the mourning, Queen Victoria decided to choose white as a symbol of purity and as a sign of pure and sincere feelings for her husband. Of course, this dress was not an unpleasant surprise, because women all over Europe and America soon wore white dresses for their weddings. However, there were brides who still married in dresses of other colors, but white was the perfect color for a wedding dress and has been around ever since.